This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 3 XL versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 845. Pixel 3 has 4 gigs of RAM, the S9 has 6. Pixel 3 is on the latest version of Android Pie, S9 Plus is on Oreo. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Pixel 3 XL. And we are in! Going to the settings of the Pixel, and let's go to battery. As you can see, adaptive battery is turned off. This may affect the multitasking of the Pixel, so I turned it off, take it out of the equation. Nothing open in the background on both, so you can see, clear that out on the Pixel. So let's get started with the messages. Pixel 3, camera on both, about the same. Clock on both phones. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Samsung Internet, go. Search for GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. And very similar performance, you guys are the judges. Go to the bottom and go to the desktop version. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar again. It looks like the Pixel 3 is a little bit faster on this. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on both. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. About the same. Call that one a draw. Let's go to this one. Leave it on this page. Amazon shopping. And very similar performance on both. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it on this page. eBay on both. You guys are the judges. Click on this MacBook. Leave it on this page. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the S9 Plus. Tap to begin. And leave this running in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirits Cove. Both phones are loading. Oh! Looks like we may have a draw. Let's find out. And whoo! So close. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. There you go. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers New Orleans, both are loading. Ooh, Pixel 3 XL. Tap to play. And we'll leave that in the background. PUBG. Looks like the Pixel is out in front. And I think the Pixel will take this one. And give this to the Pixel 3 XL. Leave this in the background. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, the Pixel is way ahead, as you can see. And here we go with the S9. And give this one to the Pixel. Snapchat. Ooh, very close, maybe the Pixel on that one. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Now on the Pixel, I did turn off the adaptive battery, so we'll see if that makes a difference, if any. So let's just see what happens right now, starting with San Andreas. Still in RAM on both. PUBG. Good to go on both. Subway Surf. And Pixel's reloading this. Good to go on the S9. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on the Samsung. Pixel is reloading this. Mario Run. Good to go on the right. eBay. And you guys are the judges. Both kind of slowed down there. Amazon. A little bit faster on the S9. Play Store. Calculator, good to go. The browsers, good to go on both. Clock on both, still running the stopwatch. The camera, a little bit faster on the right. And the Messages app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this one. Are you hashtag Team Pixel rocking the Pixel 3 XL, the Pixel 2 from last year, the original Pixel, or even the Nexus 6P? These phones running the latest version of Android, always on the latest security update, and arguably the best camera on a smartphone right now. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking an S9 or S9 Plus, the Note 9 or Note 8 from last year, or even S7 Edge? These phones coming in with excellent design and build quality, no notch, fantastic displays. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.